Are you looking for a place conveniently close to Waterford and Kilkenny? Then let me tell you more about the Garandara Inn and Rising Sun Tavern. The inn is about 2 minutes away from the M9 motorway, which you can use to reach Waterford, which is about 12 kilometers away. Kilkenny can be reached in about 25 minutes. Both cities are great for sightseeing and fantastic dinner options. If you want to see more about Waterford, then why not check out these 2 videos I already uploaded. The entrance to the guest house is on the right side of the main building. The check-in area is right behind the door, and from here you can take the lift up to the other floors. You can park your car in the back and also head up to this floor via the staircase leading up from the parking space. They overall have 10 guest rooms and we had number 7. So here's the main room. We got a big bed, which looks really nice. Kettle, tea, water. In here you can hang your clothes and some extra pillows, which is always nice. Here's the AC and the TV, chair. This one is really nice. Here's the bathroom. The tavern downstairs is the restaurant where you can get breakfast and also dinner. One evening they also had live music outside together with a bar, which was really nice. That definitely was a fun last evening here. A little fun info about this place. This tavern was actually built in 1644 during the Cromwellian era. I slept really good and I liked my room, and the staff here was also really friendly. Prices range from €99 to around 150 per night, depending on the season.